So this is 2014 A2. What is the period? Well, that's easy peasy. That's T is 2 pi root L over G. So that's 2 pi root L, which is 1.32 over G, which is 9.81. So provided that you're not stupid and you know how to use a calculator, you can get 2 marks for free. 2 pi square root 1.32 over 9.81, and that is 2.30 seconds. Part 2 is what is the magnitude, what is the maximum acceleration. So first we need the omega. The omega is 2 pi over t. So that's 2 pi divided by the time, which comes out as 2.73 roughly. 2.73 radians a second. So the maximum acceleration is a omega squared, which in this case is that answer squared multiplied the a. And the question gives you the a, doesn't it? Yes. It says the a is 32 millimeters. That's 32.6 times 10 to the power of minus 3. So there's the a multiplied by omega squared. So that comes out as 0.242 meters per second squared. Because you know the a and you know the omega, there it is right there. Okay. Yeah.
In our calculations, like sometimes we have to take on the 3 figures like we did for omega.
Yes.
Then in the next calculation of acceleration, do we need to use the 3 significant figures or the 4?
Answers should be presented to 3 significant figures, but when you're doing calculations, if it's possible to be more accurate because you still have the number up on the calculator, you should do that.
Because if we would use 2.7,
I know it's a little bit different.
0.2.
Yeah, though you don't get penalised heavily in fact, it's a very small penalisation if you make small rounding errors throughout the exam. So in other words, you won't be continuously marked for rounding errors. You might just get marked once, but if you continue to do it, you won't repeatedly get marked down. It's really a small issue, it's a non-issue then. And part 3 is what's the maximum velocity. That's equal to a omega, which is 32.6 times 10 to the minus 3 multiply 2.73. So let's just go back to this. Where was my a? There it is there. And then where is my, that's my a there. That's what I just wrote down, wasn't it? So that comes in at 0.088. How many 8s are there? 3 8s. 889. 0.0889 meters per second. And that's number 2 done.